Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start inside Outlook because this is where your PSD lives. Open File, then Open and Export, and launch Import/Export. Choose Export to a file and pick Outlook Data File, PSD. That creates a portable copy of your mail, contacts, and calendar. Now select the mailbox or specific folder you want. Make sure to check Include Subfolders so nothing is missed. Once chosen, click Next and prepare to pick a destination on your disk. Once you hit Next, you'll pick a clear destination, preferably on another internal drive, external USB, or network share to avoid single drive failure. Choose how Outlook handles duplicates. Replace or do not export are common choices depending on whether you want a fresh snapshot. You can set an optional PSD password for added security, but be careful, passwords are not recoverable if forgotten. Finally, confirm the path, click Finish, and wait. After export completes, close Outlook to ensure the PSD isn't locked. Then use File Explorer to copy the file to a second location for redundancy, cloud, NAS, or external drive. You should verify the file by opening it via File Open and Export Open Outlook Data File to confirm folders and recent messages are present. If the export fails or the PSD won't open, check available disk space and run the Inbox Repair tool. Scan PSD on the file, then repeat the export if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.